Welcome back. Now in the previous video, we created a public link and a public webinar to contact the public. We can also use Trello to collaborate with the public. And with a few settings on a particular board, we can set up a platform for collaboration with the business community or the public at large. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enter our board. And once we're in the board, we're going to then change the visibility to public. This means then that this board now will be visible to the search engines and anyone online that wants to find it. So what we'll want to do now is we'll want to go to the menu. We'll then want to click More, and then we're going to click Settings. Now we want the board to remain under the control of the team. What we want to change are the commenting permissions. And we have some options here inside of this board. You'll note that we can disable commenting altogether. We can make it for members only, members and observers, just team members, or we can open up commenting to public members. And in this case, we are going to do just that. Now that this has become a public board, we probably don't want to be notified every time there is a response. So we are going to want to change the notification settings. We're going to do that by unwatching this board. And so now what we'll want to do is we'll need to make the board public, and we can do that with this link at the bottom of our settings tab. Now there are a number of ways that we can extend this collaboration if we use power-ups. We can also use power-ups such as jot forms to collect data, as well as SurveyMonkey. Both power-ups give us options to the amount of interaction we are going to have with the public. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.